Thanks for showing interest in understanding the key metrics that influence patients' online decision-making. In today's digital age, patients are increasingly turning to online platforms to find and choose their healthcare providers. But what exactly influences their decision when searching for a doctor? Here are the top metrics that play a crucial role. 1. Online reviews and ratings. A doctor's online reputation can make or break a potential patient's decision. Positive reviews and high ratings build trust and credibility, showing that the doctor has a track record of satisfied patients. 2. Response time and accessibility. How quickly a clinic or doctor responds to inquiries can be a deciding factor. Patients value timely responses, whether through phone calls, emails, or online chat services. Being accessible and approachable online reassures patients that their health concerns will be addressed promptly. 3. Appointment availability. Ease of scheduling appointments is a critical metric. Patients prefer doctors who offer convenient appointment slots and online booking options. A seamless, user-friendly process can significantly enhance the patient's experience and influence their choice. 4. Content quality on the website. A well-maintained website with informative and relevant content can help patients feel more comfortable and informed. This includes detailed information about the doctor's qualifications, specialties, and services, as well as helpful blog posts or resources on common health issues. 5. Social media presence. Active engagement on social media platforms can humanize a doctor and provide insights into their practice philosophy and patient care approach. Regular updates, patient testimonials, and interaction with followers contribute to building a trustworthy online persona. 6. Location and convenience. The proximity of the clinic and its accessibility play a significant role in the decision-making process. Patients often look for doctors who are conveniently located and easy to reach, especially for regular visits. 7. Pricing transparency. Clear and transparent pricing information, including consultation fees and treatment costs, is essential. Patients appreciate knowing upfront what to expect financially, which helps them plan their healthcare expenses better. 8. Patient experience and testimonials. Real-life patient stories and testimonials can provide a deeper understanding of the patient experience at a particular clinic. These authentic accounts often resonate more with prospective patients, influencing their choice of doctor. By understanding and optimizing these metrics, healthcare providers can better position themselves online and attract more patients. At DM Boone, we specialize in helping healthcare professionals enhance their online presence and build trust with potential patients. Get in touch with us to learn how we can help you connect with more patients and grow your practice. Thanks for watching.